Hi, my name is Aswathy Krishna. I am actually hailing from Kerala, from the capital, that is Thiruvananthapuram. So I've been a working professional for the past 5.5 years, and right now I'm just having a career shift into makeup and hairstyling. So I've been researching a lot at the beginning. Since I was doing a career shift, I did a lot of research by myself. I went through the Instagram, a lot of profiles and a lot of prominent makeup artists and academies. And SMA was the one academy that kind of stood out for me in respect to the portfolios being created and the kind of looks and the creativity that they are putting in every and each photo work. So yeah, that stood out for me the most. The modules have been split across 4 modules, I could say in broad. That would be the beauty, bridal, fantasy, and fashion portfolios. It was pretty outstanding, I would say, because they go in really so much of depth in each of the subjects, and it gave me a very good standing about each and every key element. So yeah, it was amazing. Teachers were pretty really friendly with us, and we were able to understand, I mean, the way they were teaching the class and everything, and it was pretty informative. And they don't just stick to the what you learn from the book. They really impart us from what they have gained over the years. So you learn a lot in the process. So SMA was like, the journey was pretty very brilliant for me. I think it actually exceeded my expectations, I would say, because I really wanted to have that well-rounded approach to, the makeup artist that I wanted to be. And I wanted to have that liberty of choosing in which field I want to go to. So SMA has been able to, help me with each and every module really well. And I was able to, I can really say I'm very flexible in what I can take up, and I can really do really well in the makeup industry. Yeah, so thank you, SMA. It has been a great journey for me. I mean, I cannot put into words as much, but the instructors, everybody, Hilda, Rita ma'am, everybody, they're amazing, and it feels like home every day I come into SMA, and I would like to keep that as well. Thank you.